In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Oxylabs AI Studio credits inside Hostinger step by step in just a few minutes. If you use Oxylabs AI Studio for testing, automation, or AI workflows, topping up your credits is something you'll want to know how to do quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and find the option for more services. This is where Hostinger keeps additional products and connected tools, so don't worry if you don't see Oxylabs right away on the main screen. Click More Services to open the full list. Now, from the drop-down menu, choose Oxylabs AI Studio Credits. This will take you to the area where you can manage your credit balance and add funds to your account. If you're on the wrong section, just take a second to double check that you selected the AI Studio Credits option and not another service, because Hostinger has multiple tools and add-ons. Once you're on the Oxylabs AI Studio Credits page, look for the Add Credits button and click it. This is the action that starts the top-up process. Depending on your account setup, you may be shown different credit packages or a payment form. Take your time here and make sure you choose the amount that fits your needs. Next, you'll need to choose your payment method. This could be a card, wallet, or another supported payment option, depending on what Hostinger offers in your region and account. Select the method you want to use, then review the billing details carefully. Before you complete anything, it's always a good idea to confirm the amount, the currency, and the payment source, just so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, click Complete Payment. After that, the system will process your transaction, and your Oxylabs AI Studio credits should be added to your account. In many cases, the balance updates right away, but if it takes a moment, just refresh the page and check again. And that's it. You've successfully added Oxylabs AI Studio credits through Hostinger. The whole process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Log in, open more services, select Oxylabs AI Studio credits, click Add Credits, choose your payment method, and complete the payment. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. That support really helps, and it lets me know to keep making simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.